The Marine Earth Observation Project is the first pre-commercial procurement in Earth observation, funded under the Horizon 2020 framework. The optimal goal under this PCP project is to fund robust, innovative downstream solutions that will serve not only marine EOs, maritime authorities, but other parties such as European agencies, decision makers, and individuals. Awareness sought either in regards to maritime security, border control against irregular immigration, and safety of navigation, while at the same time awareness in regards to the marine environment and climate change. Marine EO aims at procuring the development of demand-driven Earth observation-based services adopted on open standards, bringing incremental or radical innovations in the field of maritime awareness and leveraging on the existing Copernicus services and other products from the Copernicus portfolio. Marine EO teams up a group of 9 European partners acting as public procurers and scientific and technical organizations with significant experience in Earth observation and maritime matters to achieve the following objectives. Develop, test, and validate 2 sets of demand-driven Earth observation-based services, which cover marine monitoring and security Copernicus thematic areas. Propose a set of support envelope services, which will better integrate the above-mentioned Earth observation and Copernicus-enabled services to the operational logic and code of conduct. Strengthen transnational collaboration in the maritime awareness sector by facilitating knowledge transfer and optimization of resources for the public authorities which participate in the buyers group. Pre-Commercial Procurement, PCP, is a powerful tool to tackle these 3 points under one single joint initiative, which is why Marine EO is in an excellent position to reinforce future capabilities. Marine EO seeks to establish Earth observation-based services covering sea basins of the Mediterranean, Atlantic, and Arctic, adapting Copernicus data and information in order to meet the demand of the procurers. The first set of features is entitled Sat Ocean, providing information about ocean biotic and abiotic parameters, variability in time and space, regular monitoring of marine protected areas, fish farm monitoring, and water quality. It also incorporates sea ice extent for safe navigation and maritime operations in the Arctic. The second set of features belongs to the second thematic area of marine security, entitled Sat Surveillance, which contributes to the development of Eurosur regulations by providing services in response to Europe's security challenges in the domains of border security, covering unusual activity monitoring around critical infrastructure and enhanced change detection techniques at specific areas of interest, used for embarking and disembarking of immigrants. PCP enables public procurers and suppliers to share the benefits and risks of designing, prototyping, and testing new products between them, facilitate the access of new innovative players to the public procurement market, create optimum conditions for wider commercialization and take-up of R&D results, reduce market fragmentation and in turn reducing costs for procurers and creating wider markets for companies, create highly qualified R&D jobs in Europe, act as a seal of approval for innovative companies, confirming the market potential of new emerging technological developments, thereby attracting new investors. Marine EO follows the basic PCP concept and approach while adopting the typical product innovation life cycle. Starting phase. The participating public procurers of the R&D services agree on common requirements and performance levels for the 2 Copernicus thematic and geographical areas covered by the project by preparing the tender documents, evaluation procedures, and criteria, based on which a list of R&D providers are funded to enter PCP Phase 1. Phase 1. The R&D providers deliver their solution designs and verifications of the technical, economic, and organizational feasibility of their solution approach to address the PCP challenge. Phase 2. The winning R&D providers develop a prototype of the requested downstream services and test this in lab conditions. Phase 3. The successful R&D providers produce a final set of downstream services that will be tested and validated on the field under real-life operational conditions, demonstrating suitability for large-scale production after the PCP. After PCP Phase 3, the overall evaluation and validation of the technical solutions will take place, encompassing technical, operational, and economical aspects. Under this PCP framework, users and industry are able to cooperate in order to define the solutions of the future, and, should the results be successful, shall promote the adoption of such solutions among other authorities in the Copernicus community, and consequently, help operationally relevant solutions reaching the market. In other words, to stimulate the market to create Earth observation downstream services, which will help to close the gap between existing state-of-the-art and future innovation potentials.